data and walk away with it without supervision or any authorities looking into it. Yet we have the Data Protection Department, which should have actually taken care of this. As on whether we need the two ministers to come and answer in Parliament, Honorable Speaker, it is our responsibility to have them come here, whether they are differing or not. Government is one, but if they have different opinion on it, it's still very well placed that they come here and we hear their opinion on this. And still yet, Honorable Speaker, we have a right as the House to even make our own inquiry using our committees. And therefore, that should not in any way subside or reduce our effectiveness in dealing with the matter. It's a matter that requires urgent need, and it has to be dealt with. This exposes us as a country to a situation whereby we can be exploited without any defense. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Beatrice.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I also rise, and yesterday, Mr. Speaker, I went on Hansard, really questioning, how did we allow, who approved for the private company to be able? Have we done public participation? Does it mean in financial matters, Mr. Speaker, we don't do public participation? Because in everything in this country, you realize, Mr. Speaker, we end up in court if we have not done public participation. So how did we, and who are these officers who approved? And this is not just at KICC. These guys are in all the hubs. At the hub in Karen, Mr. Speaker, we have a team there collecting. We have a team in every of the malls that you see, Mr. Speaker. Our young people were there and their data were being taken. Mr. Speaker, as much as we are talking of Shakahola, we will get another Shakahola in this one now. A Shakahola that we don't know, of young people who have no idea why they are being given money, who have no idea after they have received the money, the $65, you cannot withdraw, you cannot do anything with it, Mr. Speaker, yet already you have received. So, Mr. Speaker, if somebody has come to collect data in Kenya so that he can go around the world saying, I have numbers, people have joined in, the way we were doing Bitcoin and the rest, I think it is very wrong. And before anything, we want even the government to just tell us, who are these people? Who are they? And their names, where they've come from, the country, and why is it they are not doing it in their country, but they can come and do it in a third world country called Kenya. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.